Uncoated paper. Suzano produces a range of printing papers of various specifications, colors, calipers, finishes, and sizes. Learn more about our line of uncoated paper and its manufacturing process. Among numerous applications, mainly used in the printing of books, textbooks, notebooks, ongoing forms, calendars, variables data such as invoices, statements, and notices. The eucalyptus logs, grown in 100% renewable plantations and certified by the FSC, are already debarked, cleaned, and peeled before transport. Once they arrive at our factory, they are placed on a crawler and lead to a chipping machine that turns them into wood chips. Right after that, a conveyor belt transports them to the storage silo. Another conveyor belt transports the wood chips to a digester, where the wood cooking process begins. For a whiter pulp, the bleaching process occurs through a chemical process that allows the pulp to become ECF bleached, or elemental chlorine free, and then it goes to the storage tower. The pulp also proceeds to the refining process, increasing the flexibility of the fibers, giving it the necessary physical characteristics for the final product, the uncoated paper. The wood pulp is diluted to a proper consistency for the production of paper. Typically a proportion of 1% fiber and 99% water. This mix is distributed on a sheet-forming conveyor screen in order to obtain a uniform sheet of paper with a pre-established weight. The sheet of paper passes through upper and lower drying cylinders with controlled temperature, drying the sheet evenly on both sides. The paper sheet passes through a finishing process, receiving a bath of starch on both sides, which ensures a more firm and uniform texture. In the post-drying stage, the sheet travels between drying cylinders for the final humidity control of the paper. Through pressure applied by steel cylinders, we control the smoothness and the thickness of the paper. A high-precision scanner crosses the edges of the sheet, measuring its specifications and ensuring compliance with the technical requirements stipulated at the beginning of the process. Now, completely ready, the uncoated paper will have two cutting finishes according to demands: roll or sheets. For the production of rolls, the parent roll is unwound and cut by circular knives, then forming smaller rolls that are wound around cardboard tubes, and proceed to the packaging section. And then to the expedition. For the production of sheets, similar smaller rolls head for the cutting machine, where they are unwound and receive a finely controlled edge cutting finish, resulting in their final width, which is then cut by rotating in the transverse cutters. The cut sheets are counted automatically by photocells, stacked, and will receive two types of packaging. Package. The packaging machine receives a stack of papers that will be separated into reams, which are individually packed and stacked on pallets, receiving their labeling with the type of finish, and go to shipping. Skids. A single stack of sheets is stacked on a pallet, then wrapped and labeled and sent to shipping.